what's up everybody, peace, loves, and blessings. Alright, so as you guys see, we got the Sony linkbud S. I had to get these. Listen, I had to get these. Sonys don't really disappoint when it comes to the buds now, okay? They have some hit and misses, but mostly they be having hits. So without further ado, let's unbox it, go over the specs, and let's see what we like about these. So without further ado, I got goals today, you got goals today. We gonna get them done together. Let's get it started.
Yeah. I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in. Bitch on the news, CNN, yeah. Will it in? I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in. Bitch on the news, CNN, yeah. Drippin', boy, they got the TikTok missing. This pimpin', broke niggas got me living. You Jordan a pimpin', I'm Kobe, I'm never gon' dish it. I'll miss it, I'm dissing as fuck and I ain't got the time to just kick it. I don't trust nobody 'cause I can't be fake. Running ain't an option 'cause the soul can't change. And I'm tired of being humble, bitch, I feel no way. Stay on, nigga, shit, I might put you on bitch, right? Will it in? I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in. Bitch on the news, CNN, yeah. Will it in? I got the bag, tell a friend, she got
Alright, so
some
here we
ass,
are, we
bring
got
it
the
in.
link buds. Without further ado, let's unbox it and let's go over it. And let's take a second to just like say wow. I always love how Sony just puts together their stuff. Like, look at this. Like, nice little box, and then inside it's so organized, and you got the listing of what it is. Then on top, you know, you got the nice link buds themselves. You know, you always feel like you're getting some good or some great quality out of Sony every time. And I always like that. It's already self-explanatory, so you have the I for information on the side, you know, warranties, etc., more information that you need. Our charge point, and it looks like it's going to be a USB Type-C. Yep, USB Type-C charging. And last but not least, it's a sign. Here are some earbuds. Super small to large, it looks like. Alright, so here's the buds themselves. Looks really simple and plain, which, you know, which I'm going for this year is pretty cool, but truthfully, it could use a little bit of a style. Like, so far the material, again, the material don't really feel plasticky. It kind of feels cheap, but at the same time it don't. All right, so again, let's get into it. Sony on top. On the back, you got the USB Type-C charging and also the pairing button, aka the Bluetooth button. When you open it up, you get an orange glow. That's telling you where your charge point is, if it needs to be charged or it needs some kind of charge power towards it. So these are not full. Then next you got the buds themselves. They come in black. You have a little speaker right here. And you know, the quality on these feels really nice. I can't wait to put these in my ear. But these are really, really, really very familiar feeling to what my favorite Buzz was, the Galaxy Buds Plus. I want to say I really love those, not the beans, but the Plus. I love those. Like, those Buds were awesome. Okay, so let's get into the specs. So this has noise cancellation. Truthfully, after listening to it, I don't think these are up to par or have good noise canceling compared to other products, but it has that option if you need it. So I say it's a plus. Even though it's not that good, it's something to have rather than not, so I give it a plus. Next, being the battery life, that's being 6 hours. That's being 6 hours with the after noise cancellation on. With it off, it's gonna be 14. So that's very debatable, and that's a good battery life because compared to others, or even other buds, they're going for at least 30, like 20, 30. So with it being 14, I don't think that's bad, but it's good on the sense because it has more life than others, but it's not 24 hours like how it is kind of the standard now today, being 24 hours with the battery life. So again, 14 is not bad, but I mean, who wants a little battery life? So again, the battery life, I can't give that a pass. That's not good. It is better than the AirPod Pros when it comes to battery life, but I mean, the AirPod Pros has 24 hours versus 14. So, yeah, it's not a good thing. Next, we have 360 reality audio. You get that surround sound. Also, you get the high-res quality sound, so you can hear all your bass, beat, drum, treble, singing, all that stuff. You're gonna listen to all that. You're gonna hear it nice and crisp, on par level with the AirPod Pros and the XM4s. If you guys are familiar with that, WF4s. Sorry, WF4s. What the? Okay. Even Galaxy Buds Plus. So if you're debating on where you want to get this, when it comes to the sound, they're just like up there in quality when it comes to the sound. But I mean, you won't miss much or get better sounds coming out of this. So it's very similar. It has an IPX rating of 4, so it has some water resistance. So you can actually play this in the shower or in the rain, or so that's pretty good up there. And it has, you know, talking ambient sound, so you can actually hear things that's going on outside of your earbuds or your phone calls, if you like that option. Or if not, you can turn it right back on and not hear anything except for your phone call or your music. Great calls, so it checks marks all the great stuff that it needs to. Here's the thing, it's going for $200. With all that being said, that is a great price for $200 with all this, right? Here's the thing, you don't get some of the pro qualities, you know what I'm saying, or it's high quality, you know, high standard basic quality, such as like I don't know, wireless charging. Now, these can charge, but these can only charge when you have them on the charger. These do not charge when they're being off the rack. And what I mean off the rack, I mean like you can't just place these on something and charge it. It has to be plugged up into something to charge. And also the noise cancellation or the ambient sound, listen, that's not too good as well. So I would say it's decent quality. So again, if you can just go without the high premium quality sounding, again, it's 200. It would be more fitted or suited for the 150 market, truthfully. And I hope that's where it goes, because if it goes there, I think it's a pretty good and they're worth it. I don't think they're worth 200, but again, like I said, it's it's not something that I would pick up, but that's just me saying that truthfully. All right, so here's some cool things about this too. It has a left and a right. See, it has left and right on. I think that's pretty cool, even though it's very basic, but I think that's pretty cool because some people will actually have trouble putting this in their ear, and I know I had in the past. It has a speaker right on the outside of the earbuds to hear that sound on the outside, for the ambient sound to pick up if it's playing something loud or not. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. All right, so let me give you my verdict. I couldn't play music this time because YouTube copyright, man. I ain't trying to deal with it, so I'm gonna say this. Some people criticize that it wasn't too loud. Some people criticize the ambient sound. So when it comes to the ambient sound, I have to agree with them. Again, it's not too good, but at the same time, you kind of getting what you're paying for is $200. If it was $250 or that $300 range, I'll be pissed. Like, what am I getting? But it has little to no active noise canceling. So again, I give that a down. Secondly, when it comes to the sound, it gives out great quality sound, like I said, on par with the AirPods Pro, the WF4s, Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus and Beans. Like, you get, you know, all that great sound that it comes with it. But now, so with that being said, like I said, you get the good sound, but it's just the battery part that's hindering, because how I use my headphones, like I work out with them. You know what I'm saying? I go on like I don't know, I do like to drive a lot, so I might go on a long like trip in 14 hours. It's like 14 hours. I don't like to constantly be on a charger. I'm more so ready to go, like on the go kind of person. So sometimes I don't have time to be charging my battery, so that's what I don't like about it. So I'll give my final verdict. I'm gonna give these truthfully a 6 out of 10. And like I said, I'm not trying to say these are bad, just for the price and for everything that's going on, for it being like a gutted out earbuds, like a gutted out earbuds. That's pretty much all it is. It's just a simple gutted out earbuds. That's all it is. Just something super basic earbuds with active noise cancellation, the most basic noise canceling, the most basic battery, the most basic. These are just the basic plus, the basic S. Okay, these are just, that's all it is. Nothing too spectacular, nothing over the top. This is just something to throw out there to make some money. 200, easy money. Expect these to be 150 by Black Friday. If you were planning to get these, go ahead and get these. These are not bad these are not bad earbuds. These are good earbuds. Truthfully, they're not for me. I wouldn't purchase them, but that's just me. And why? I listed why. I need something with just more battery. I need something with more hit, more sound. The look is just plain and basic. I love the size. I mean, it's small. It's, you know, travel friendly and awesome, but I feel like these are gonna be dead when I use them. So that's what I don't like about it. And truly, it is a big gripe. And truthfully, it's something serious. So you don't want something that you're grabbing that's dead on you. You know, you need something that's nice, comfortable, and you know you're safe with it. So I give you WF4. And go and grab those. You'll like those even better. Longer battery life, and you'll appreciate it. So with that being said, I got goals today. You got goals today. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace. Thanks for watching.